In this video we will learn the most common mistakes I can make when creating a drawing code. Most famous mistakes. First, I open the drawing from the drawings. This drawing is an example. Select the drawing, then Ctrl+C or copy. I open the model that I will use it. For example, a glass of vino. Right-click or Ctrl+V. The first mistake is to move a part of the drawing and leave the other. For example, when I select the drawing, there is a part that is not selected. When I move, this part will move and the other part will not move. That is not correct. Preferably, in order to avoid this mistake, I will make a group of the whole drawing, so it became one part. When you select any part of the drawing, all of it is selected. I move it with the mouse, or with the up or down arrows. I set the boundaries of the drawing at a line 5, for example, and 50 or 60 from below. I select the whole drawing. One click and the boxes appear, and I start controlling them from above and below. It is also one of the most common mistakes. Also, do not make sure that the entire drawing is not inside the white rectangle. From right and left. What if something like this happens without my knowledge? Complete the rest of the drawing to find out what is wrong. I select the drawing, toolpath, profile toolpath, project, calculate. What appeared here? Vertical blue lines appeared. Therefore, the diamond burrs will work before reach the cup. So it makes something like an unwanted dot in the drawing. This will give an unwanted drawing, so it prefers, make sure all points of the drawing are inside the white rectangle. I undo what I did via delete. Make sure the drawing get in the white rectangle. I have to make sure it's exactly here. I must be 100% sure that every point of the drawing is inside the white rectangle by zooming in to the maximum degree. The point outside, I drag it to make it exactly on the line, then I move inward a very short distance. There is another error that could occur. To insert the dot inward more than necessary, I select the drawing. You move the point more than required. Move to this point, for example. What is happening? The drawing on the cup will not be connected each other. Toolpath, profile toolpath, project, calculate. What happened here? There is a part here that is empty, without drawing on it. We zoom in on it. We will find an empty part here. When the drawing is locked on the cup, it will not be correct. So I have an incorrect drawing. I must set the drawing exactly at the beginning of the line. Exactly on the first line. Thus, the point is exactly on the line. Okay, it is also one of the most common mistakes that can occur. When I make the code, select the drawing, then toolpath, profile toolpath. I forget to click on project and click on calculate. What is happening? The project icon makes the drawing take the shape of a cup. What happened here? The drawing has nothing to do with the cup at all, far as if it were drawn on a wall. What does the project icon do? Make the drawing take the shape of a cup. For example, project, calculate, close. Therefore, the drawing became like the shape of a cup. It is also one of the most common errors. When I make a model, I forget to specify the drawing. Toolpath, profile toolpath, project, calculate. It shows me, not vector selected, meaning, you did not choose a drawing for me. Okay, select the drawing, then click calculate. Close, then choose a path to save the drawing, and start working.